to show you how to change the meeting layout in Google Meet. So here I've already opened my Google Meet and I'm going to just start a new meeting to show you how to change the layout. Okay, so just wait. Okay, so I'm in the meeting and this is what the meeting looks like. And if you want to change the layout of your meeting, you just need to click on the three dots icon right here, and then you can see the option to change layout. Just click on that, and in here choose the layout that you want to use for further meetings. So for example, I want to choose sidebar layout. Okay, so just wait, it's lagging. Okay, let's close it. So let's see if it has been okay. See, it has been saved, but since I'm the only one who is in this meeting, so it can't show. But if you are with others and you change the layout, it will be show. You can also change it into spotlight, tiled, and auto. Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can change the meeting layout in Google Meet. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next tutorial. Bye!